Hey guys, it's Zana here. Welcome back to another video. So, in this video, I need to restock my fridge because I literally have nothing left, and then Levi's coming with me because he's getting drinks for his fridge. We're gonna buy a bunch of drinks, and then the other day I went to Whole Foods and I got some drinks, so you'll see that footage later. But we're gonna go to Wegmans and pick out some stuff, but I have to get gas first.
It's literally in the red, y'all. It's in the red.
We're gonna have to roll into the Wegmans parking lot.
Yeah, we're gonna have to coast. Let's
Alright,
go.
we'll see you guys at Wegmans.
Yep.
Half days are extremely important. So I'm getting 3 of each, so I'm sort of like organizing my fridge now. I'm doing like 3 of each kind. Half days.
No big deal. You have 3 half days. Does that mean it's a day and a half?
Lemon. Green tea. All of the half days are really good. These 3 are my favorites. This one is not as good, but it's still good.
That's good.
Are you filming?
I know how to film. Okay, everything else in this aisle sucks.
Including you. Okay, here's the drinks. Here's the half days. So we gotta find Ollipops. So I think they're up in like the cold case, the Ollipops that I want. So let's go get those.
It's literally fruit snacks on the floor.
So these are the Capri Suns that I like to get. The Pacific Cooler ones are the best.
I'll get me a box of those too.
I'm struggling.
You want apple juice?
Built like an apple.
You want apple juice? Grab me one of those. Alright, y'all, they got my favorite flavor. Fruit punch.
Okay, so I think we're pretty much done here. We got all the drinks here, and then we got some down there. So I think that's pretty much it. They have these, which I need 2 more of these because I only had 1 up front. Levi's gonna get 1 too. Okay guys, so I just got home from Wegmans and I set up all the drinks. I took all the leftover drinks that were still in my fridge out and I lined them all up here. So some of these are from Whole Foods from the other day that you would have just seen me get, because there is nothing in here, just these little like flavor things for water. There's nothing in here, so let's restock. Okay, so I was just about to start restocking and I realized I forgot to buy the protein waters. Okay, whatever. Okay guys, so here's the fridge. It's all done. I think it looks super good. Like I said earlier, I did forget the protein waters, which were supposed to go right here, so now there's just kind of like an empty place there. And then down here, I just picked 3 poppy flavors to put there because otherwise there would have been an open space right there. All the Capri Suns fit really good down here. And then the lemonades I put over here with the tall things. And then 2 other Olipops up here. And then I didn't have anything to put here. And yeah, I think it looks really good.
Alright y'all, Levi Cam here. Zena wanted me to do a video of me stocking my fridge. So I'm going to put you guys on a tripod and we're going to do a little time lapse. Look at all that goodness in there y'all. So I got 4 of these. The fruit punch ones. So y'all can see that right there. The rest of the stuff. Alright, so there's everything I got. I got some of these grape Olipops, cream soda, because Dan said that one was good. Got me some strawberry milk, some vanilla milk, Capri Suns, what are the apple juice, and of course these. So we're gonna put them right in there. Yeah, it looks pretty sad in there right now, folks. Oh, I didn't even know I had that. You trying to get set up for your restock?
Yes. We
Nice.
gotta do it.
Huh?
It's gonna be a good restock.
Yep.
Very aesthetic.
Look at all this stuff.
Oh, also when I restock the fridge, I turn it off so it doesn't try and keep cooling, you know?
How do you turn it off? Unplug it?
No, you
There's a
it off.
switch?
Since when was there a switch?
Did I just get that side eye? Look, y'all, the sun is shining out there through this filthy window. Look at this. We got a whole film set up in here. Jeepers.
So,
Oh, no, look at that.
I was twisting the feet and it wasn't working.
I already did it for
Yeah,
you.
but I want it all the way now because I have to film the top.
Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
That's perfect.
Goodbye!
Goodbye.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I think the fridge turned out great. I ended up spending like $40-something and then 40-something the other day at Whole Foods. But yeah, when you buy all probiotic drinks, it gets really expensive, but at least it's all healthy for you. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!